Hi friends, today we're going to create this look with this palette. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I was about to say that I will do two looks, but I really prefer to get the whole sense of what the whole look is like once it's all said and done. So even though I could film two looks right now because I'm not going anywhere, like I don't have any plans to go anywhere, but I might, you know, just if anything comes up or whatever. It's just, I'm gonna go ahead and just do one look. Okay, I've got my eyes primed and I am all ready to go. I'm really excited to get into this palette today. Just gonna go for it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a small blender into the deepest blue. Ooh, it's beautiful. Ooh, it's powdery. Ooh, look at that. Can you see? Let me put the light in here. Can you see how messy that made my palette already? Wow. Okay, I got to be careful because I've already got my base done. So let's hope this doesn't fluff off into my face everywhere. I'm gonna try to keep this blue look a little bit more everyday approachable because I know I tend to get a little intense with my blue looks and maybe they might not feel as approachable for you. So I want to try to do something that isn't too out of control. Maybe something that you might want to wear too. This dark blue matte is working pretty nicely for it not being Pat McGrath. Okay. All right, I feel like those are starting to look pretty similar. Let's just see how they blend over on their own. They're blending a little bit more like a drier matte, but it is still blending over there, as you can see. Okay. Wow, this blue is stunning already. Okay, we've gone in with one shade. Let me just get my shapes matching a little bit more right here. There we go. That's really pretty. Okay. I'm gonna take this big fluffy blender into this lighter blue satin. I think it's a satin. And I'm gonna fluff this into my crease. Ooh. Whoa. I should have done that on the lid. That is beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, well, we're putting it here because that's where it's at now. So much, so much for doing an approachable blue look, right? But seriously, oh my God, this blue is beautiful. This was what I was hoping I would get out of this palette. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm putting this on the lid because I just can't help it. Oh God, that is so pretty. Look at that blue. Okay, that's really nice. I feel like now, should I just go for the all bright blue or should I kind of tone it down a little bit more? I'm gonna tone it down a little bit more. So I'm gonna go into the lid with this one. I have no idea what I'm doing here, okay? I'm just gonna see if it works out. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of pretty. This is a beautiful brown. Oh my gosh, it's like a soft caramel brown. It's a good quality satin. Look at that. Wow, that really just like spreads and blends so beautifully. Look at that. Okay, I'm not done yet though. Since that was a little unexpected, I'm gonna take a little bit more and just try to build it out over to here. There we go. That's so pretty. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown. I'm gonna smoke out the bottom half. See, I can never get my bottoms to match. Okay, there we go. Now I just gotta work up into that like outer edge over there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this really, really detailed little natural haired pencil into my really, really dark matte. And I'm just gonna build my corner out to incorporate this lower lash line and everything. There we go. Ooh, I really like that. I feel like I'm getting the slightest bit of fallout right here. Just a little bit, okay? I'm gonna take this cream satin and just touch it here on the inner. Ooh, that does give enough brightness, okay? And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with this kind of caramel colored brown to the front. There's one color I haven't used yet, and I'm gonna use it. Okay, let's take the last color and wait, there's two colors I haven't used yet. Okay, this beautiful aqua is gonna have to wait, but, oh wait. Yeah, let's put the aqua here towards the front. We're not gonna wait, we're gonna use it. We're using every shade. Just a little bit there at the top. And then somehow, hopefully it'll like, it just stand out and not get muddy. Just like as a little peekaboo moment right there. Okay. Yeah, I see it from the front. Ooh. Ooh, this look. Do I have anything else I haven't used? I do. I have this one blue. Okay, I'm gonna take a fat pencil into this deep blue. We're gonna build that up right here. Okay, this is a little bit more of like a cornflower blue. Yeah, so there are very, very different blues in here. Pretty much 4 different blues, because the light one is like an aqua type of a blue, like an aquamarine blue. This one here is more of like a cornflower, and the other one's a little bit more of like a deep sunset navy. Okay. We used every shade in the palette. Now I just want to do a little bit of blending, so hold on. Okay. I'm gonna get my favorite little detailed blender from Sigma, and I am just, get my hair out of the way. I'm just gonna softly blend along this edge, right here. But I don't want to lose the skin, because that's what keeps it from being too garish. Like if the blue goes up all the way to your eyebrow, then it looks a little like you lost control. But if you have more of like deliberate placement and deliberate blending like this, it, you know, just comes off more intentional. Okay, and then I'm just gonna softly blend this little area. Okay, I think that's the look. I really like it. I'm a little surprised that I didn't do any blue on the lower lash line at all, but I think I want to. Yeah, I feel like I need to. I'm gonna take that same bullet that had the dark blue on it, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, wrap it around the edge down here. Just a tiny bit down, because I feel like it's a little bit too high up, where it's more of like a line between the two. See, now the blue and the brown is blurred a little bit. It's not so like blue and then brown. It's a little bit more like mixed. Yeah. I really, 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 really like this look. Okay, so let me finish the look out with some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look. Okay, so here's the finished look. I closed off the look with my Urban Decay X Prince black eyeliner in the waterline. I used my KVD tattoo liner for my wing at the top. And today's mascara is the Anti-Gravity by Milani, which I'm really enjoying. Here's a close-up of the eyes. Let me give you a little bit of attitude. Let me know what you think of the look. Let me see. Let me take a good look at it. I really like it. I love this palette so much. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Look at it really, really closely. Here's the eye look in all its glory. Let me know if you like the look that I created. Let me know what you would do differently. Let me know if you have this palette or if you skipped over it. I know a lot of people aren't fond of blue eyeshadow, but I really, really love it. And so I've always wanted this palette. And when I saw it go on sale for super, super cheap, I had to pick it up. I was so excited to get this at a good sale price because that's what I had been holding out for. So I'm really happy to finally have this palette in my collection and to have finally gotten the chance to play with it today. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel out so much. And make sure you're subscribed so we can hang out again. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.